Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and it is such a beautiful night, even though I will say it is freezing. Tonight's going to be, I believe, 28 degrees. A little too cold for my liking, but everyone's been asking me for an update on the Wildwood Boardwalk Reconstruction project, and to be honest with you, they're moving along so quickly. They're going to be done a lot sooner than what we anticipate. And so I figured we've got the seagull. We're going to share with you guys some information. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them that we could do videos like this and afford all the equipment that we use. So if you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Hey, did you know that you could sponsor our videos? In the first 15 to 20 seconds after our bouncer, your business could be here. If you want more information, shoot us an email at joey@wildwoodvideoarchive.com. And hey, you're not only advertising your business, but you're also helping local journalism. For those who maybe never heard of this project, essentially, for the past few years in the off-season, the city has been ripping off the first two layers of the boardwalk, including the concrete pads of where the tram car is, ripping that up, fixing all of the foundation and structures underneath of it, rebuilding the top layers, and giving us an awesome looking boardwalk. And the game plan over the next year and a half, we could see potentially down there finished past the convention center, the Cressy Avenue, and then North Wildwood starting on their sections of the boardwalk. Right now we're in phase 6. Yeah, shows you how many phases we've done. And so far the team here has been unbelievable. Fred and his team have been working non-stop. There were some snow days, but since then, and you'll see in a moment with the video, most of the top layer and the fixing of any of the structural issues are almost done. I mean, it's kind of incredible. They have like about a block to go with the top decking. Then they still have to add in the lights, the railings, electricity to work. That stuff will still take some time, but the top decking looks absolutely amazing. You'll also notice that, you can see behind me, they have railings up there. Those are just wood railings. They're in place for mostly, I think it's because of a safety issue for the workers. But at the same time, I remember seeing them up when they opened up sections of the boardwalk, which tells me it's possible they could be opening up sections of the boardwalk just so that we can kind of walk up and down it a little bit. But they're moving so quickly, and it's kind of unbelievable how great of a job they're doing. That being said, I've got the seagull. It's not the permanent one. We're still working on obtaining a newer one, the DJI Mavic 3. And by the way, when you do become a patron, you're actually helping us get better equipment, so I would appreciate it. Anyway, that being said, let's get the seagull in the sky to share with you what things would look like from a seagull's point of view. awesome, right? And yes, for those asking, it is very, very windy out right now. You can see my keys kind of blowing in the wind. So camera wasn't as perfect as I usually like it, but hey, that's the winter slash spring slash fall down here in the Wildwoods. One final thing I want to add is that there was a project that was approved that has not started yet. We're not talking about the ramps or the steps. We're talking about expanding the boardwalk 14 feet. That originally was supposed to happen from Skellinger Avenue all the way down to Cressy. At this very moment, we're told that the project is supposed to start from pretty much where the monster truck is all the way to the convention center. Now, is it going to start right now? I don't really know. The last time I checked with the city, they did say they were going to work on it. The question is, are they going to finish this first and then do that? I don't really have an answer for you, but as soon as we do, I'll let you know. So if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey. As always, I'll see you on the beach. It's a little cold, and this section's actually closed. You can't get this way, so we're going to go that way to North Wildwood or even the Crest. What's close? I think the Crest. I'm going to go that way. I'll see you guys later. Bye.